Alright guys, happy Saturday! It's Candace. Welcome back to my channel. So today is a very, very important day. It is the first official football game of the new season!
Is that going on TV?
Yes! So we are packed up and the fam bam, we are all getting ready to head down to Commonwealth Stadium for some good old Wildcat football. Yeah, so Daddy Bob, Justin, say hey! Woo! Mill and I back here doing a little pre-gaming, you know. She's got her cold beer over here.
Yeah.
So we will check in along the way, so go Cats.
Oh yeah.
Turn it up, boo! Turn it up, boo! That's our jam!
We're hearing a lot
Woo!
today.
Woo!
Touchdowns.
Woo! Oh, come on, boo, tell him. What? Cause what? Oh. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party.
They always do.
It's a party, yeah.
We are out of the car and we are heading to the stadium. Hey guys. All right, y'all, we're a little late. We're a little behind schedule today, so we're not gonna make the catwalk, but that is okay. We will save that for another game and another video. But we are heading over to the stadium now, and here we go.
Go, Jordan. Bam Bam's all here. We're those crazy people that get here extremely early, so just to watch them warm up out on the field.
It's really hot. It was raining earlier and now the humidity is insane and it's so hot. But fortunately, our side of the stadium we've got some shade, so that's nice. So I'm gonna check back with y'all when the rest of our crew gets here and it's game time. I have nothing exciting to report. It's a sad day in Commonwealth. Sad, sad day in Commonwealth. Peter, tell him. Sad day.
It's fine. It's a great day. It's going to be a great day. We're going to end this game. We're going to take care of business, which we came here to do. It may take longer than expected, but we have a new quarterback situation. We're battling. We're trying to figure it out.
Y'all heard it from Keeter.
There's nothing sad about this day.
All right, we're gonna see if we can turn this ship around, guys. Because I'm hot, and I paid a lot of money for today's game, okay? I'm talking about my ticket, my gas. I've already had a gyro. I've had cotton candy. I've had French fries. I've had a souvenir-sized Sprite and a blue Powerade. I got on a new shirt, new shoes.
You're gonna have an ice cream here in a minute too.
Don't tell anybody. And so yeah, I need a little return on my investment for today. So check back later. All right guys, the game is over. And I just didn't get as much footage from the game as I thought I would because you know what? It just wasn't that much fun because we were losing most of the time. But then we turned it around and we pulled out the win. What was the final score, y'all? 35-20 against Central Michigan. Yeah, so we pulled out a win, so that's a good start for the Cats in our first game. Daddy Bob. Justin's driving. What up, Meal? All right, y'all, so, I mean, the next one will be more interesting because I will try to get one that we're actually tailgating and having a little more fun and have the spirits flowing, if you know what I mean. It'll be a better game. So, see you on the next one. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. All right, bye, guys.